What are the points we are going to learn in chapter number 2? Technology enabled communication, internet, email, blog, Moodle, social media and its type. In that we will learn Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. Okay. So what do you think about internet? Internet, I'm asking about internet. Yes. What is your idea of internet? What do you think internet is? Nobody knows what is the meaning of internet. You all use internet. Right now you are using internet to attend the lecture. Still you don't know what is the meaning of internet? Yes, students? Okay, let me explain that to you. Internet is communication. We do communication by using internet. Anything else? Okay, let us move ahead. Now see, I have given the definition of internet on the slide. Now what is internet? Internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks. This is the definition. Now where it starts? In simple terms, to understand or to remember, the internet is global system of interconnected computer networks. What is it? Interconnected computer networks. On the screen you can see a diagram is given. This is one computer, this is another computer. Okay, this is the IP address of one computer, this is IP address of another computer. Both the computers are connected with each other with this global system of network. We are using this network to connect the computers at the global level. Global level means computers all over the world, they can get connected to each other with this network. By using this network, we connect to a number of different kinds of computers all over the world. Okay, so what is internet? It is the global system of interconnected networks. In simple terms, interconnected networks that connect computers all over the world. Okay, did you understand this? ये क्या है? एक नेटवर्क है जो अलग अलग कंप्यूटर्स को ग्लोबल लेवल पे कनेक्ट करने का काम करता है. Now my computer is connected to your mobile phone. Your mobile phones are nothing but mini laptops or mini computers only. So those mini computers or those mobile phones are connected with my laptop. Okay, so we are using internet to get connected to each other. अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आ गए? ये एक नेटवर्क है जो क्या करता है, अलग अलग जो कंप्यूटर्स है उनको कनेक्ट करने का काम ये नेटवर्क करता है. Now further, let us understand this definition again. Internet is a portmanteau word. Portmanteau word means a short form of two words, or two words are used here. Their first words are used here. See, internet में देखिए यहाँ पे आप inter and this one is net. So out of these two words, total two words, we have selected only first part of the word, and a new word has been made by using those two first words to the latest of first two words, and we have formed internet. We have got internet. This is called as portmanteau word. What is this? इंटरकनेक्टेड नेटवर्क है. इंटरनेट का लॉन्ग फॉर्म क्या है? इंटरकनेक्टेड नेटवर्क. एंड वी हैव मेड इट शॉर्ट by using only two words to say inter and net. Out of these two interconnected network, we have just used inter and net, and we have got the internet. Okay. Now, these networks or these computers, these networks use internet protocol suite to link devices worldwide. अभी ये जो devices है, जो computers है, ये connect करने का काम किया जाता है network से. Okay. Now these networks, what exactly use to get connected all these devices? ये devices connect करने के लिए क्या use किया जाता है? This is TCP or IP, that is Internet Protocol Suite. IP, that is Internet Protocol, that is used to connect or link the devices worldwide. तो क्या use होता है? What do we use to, or what this internet network uses internet protocol suite to link the devices. तो ये डिवाइस लिंक करने के लिए इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल यूज किया जाता है. I hope you understood this. Yes, that is IP address, internet protocol IP address. So let us continue. What is internet? Internet is interconnected network that connects devices or computers all over the world by using internet protocol suite. This is the way you can define internet in a simple terms. So let us move to the next slide. Now see here, I have explained internet, how it works. Now, first, there is World ISP. What is it? World ISP. World ISP, Internet Service Provider. ISP का मतलब क्या है? I am writing over here. What is the meaning of ISP? ISP, the meaning of ISP is Internet Service Provider. Now, Internet Service Provider, which Internet Service Provider? World Internet Service Provider. Okay. At the global level, Internet Service Providers are there. Those service providers will provide they will provide internet to regional service provider. Regional means, say for example, if it is India, the world service provider, they will provide internet service provider, they will provide the internet to the regional service provider, internet service provider. In India, we have VSNL. Okay, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. So, internet is provided, World ISP provides the internet to VSNL in India, that is regional ISP. That regional ISP will provide the service to the local ISP, local internet service provider. And after, once it reaches to the local service provider, then at home we can use this. At home, by using the cable modem, we can use, or we can have phones, digital subscribing, everything we can use and to get connected to the network. If suppose it is the business, there will be a LAN, local area network. One line will be there that will be given to us, and the same LAN can be used, or the line can be moved to various places where computers are placed, and all the computers can use the same internet on all the computers, or people can use internet on all the computers, but only single line will be there, and that router will be there which will provide, that LAN router will provide internet to all the other computers on the same line. So in the business, it is very convenient and easy to use internet by using this LAN, whereas at home we don't have LAN. LAN नहीं होता है, local area network हम लोग नहीं use करते, LAN we don't use, whereas we use cable modem line or digital subscribing or a phone to get connected to the network. I hope you understood this slide. ये समझ में आ गया आपको कैसे इंटरनेट आपको मिलता है? First, there is World Service Internet Service Provider, which will provide internet to whom? Internet to regional service provider. Regional service provider will provide it to the local ISP. From local ISP, at home we can use, or at businesses we can use internet. So let us understand about internet. What is this internet? Again, we will repeat the same thing. We'll learn internet in detail. Now, internet is a network, great network of computers connecting millions of computers around the world. Sometimes it referred as network of networks. Sometimes बहुत बार हम लोग इसे क्या रेफर करते हैं? It is the network of networks. There are many networks that you connect by using internet. One single network will get connected, one network of computers that will get connected to other network of computers. So it is network of networks. We are using this network system to connect number of computer networks. कंप्यूटर अलग अलग कंप्यूटर है, उनका नेटवर्क जो है वो कनेक्ट करने के लिए ये नेटवर्क यूज करते हैं. That's why it is called as network of networks. Now, where it emerged? Internet was emerged in United States, that is USA, America, in the 1970s, but it was not made available to general public until 1990s. Okay, 1970s में अमेरिका ने यूज किया था इंटरनेट. They started using internet, लेकिन 1990 तक it wasn't available for general public. Now, this internet is a global network of physical cables. ये क्या है? Physical cables रहते हैं. Okay, physical cables made of copper telephone wires, or TV cables, or fiber optic cables. So I was discussing with you, internet is a global network of physical cables. Different kinds of physical cables are used to connect these network, to connect the computers on the global network. Which kind of cables we use? Copper telephone wires. Telephone wires use होते हैं. TV cables as well as fiber optic cables. Even wireless connections also we can use to connect the computers on this network, like Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, as well as nowadays we have 5G, 3G, 4G, 5G is also there, but it relies on physical cables only to access computer. Wi-Fi connections are available, but this Wi-Fi as well as wireless connections, to get connected on the network or to get the service, again these physical cable networks are important to get connected on this internet or to get access to the internet. Now, internet uses standard internet protocol, which is called as IP, and every computer in internet is identified by a unique IP address. Every single computer which gets registered on the network has given an unique IP address, a unique IP address. Okay, unique means only one, single. जितने भी कंप्यूटर है उनका IP address अलग अलग होता है. Not two computers, they cannot get same IP address. Every single computer is identified with a unique IP address. ये समझ में आ गया स्लाइड आपको? Did you understand? Did you understand this? Did you understand? Yes, students. Shall we move ahead? My voice is clear or not? Some of you are telling my voice is not clear. But I think it is clear. अगर आपके बहुत से बच्चों को आवाज मेरी जा रही है लेकिन आपको नहीं आ रही है, मतलब उसका मतलब है आपका नेटवर्क खराब है. प्लीज चेक योर नेटवर्क. Okay, let us move to the next slide. Now we will understand how this network works. How does it works? So let us understand how does it work. See, when you visit a website, your computer sends a request over these wires to a server. क्या करता है देखिए, आप कोई वेबसाइट विजिट करते हैं तो आपका कंप्यूटर क्या करता है, एक रिक्वेस्ट सेंड करता है टू अ सर्वर, एक सर्वर को रिक्वेस्ट सेंड करता है. देन अ सर्वर इज वेयर वेबसाइट्स आर स्टोर. सर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सर्वर? सभी वेबसाइट्स जहाँ पे स्टोर किए जाते हैं उसे बोलते हैं सर्वर. एंड इट वर्क्स अ लॉट लाइक योर कंप्यूटर्स हार्ड ड्राइव. ये कंप्यूटर की जो हार्ड ड्राइव होती है ना, वैसे ही ये काम करता है. Then once the request arrives, the server retrieves the website and sends the correct data back to your computer. पहले request कहाँ पे जाती है? सर्वर को. And then the server will find out the relevant website or relevant information, correct data, and it will be sent to your computer and you can see that website or you can see the information. Like this, it works very quickly. हम लोग type करते immediately we can get it. So see how much immediate or how fast this server works. We will understand this with the same image. Okay. See, this is your computer. And once you type anything on the internet or on the browsers, search engines, the request will be sent to a server. Then server will get the information and then server will send the information again back to you. So it happens immediately, very quickly. Because of that, you would find it very fast. All the information you find very fast because the servers work quickly. Understood this? समझ में आ गई ये? Okay, now let us move ahead. There are two types of lines. I had told you now, the physical cables or two types of lines are there and that we use to get connected on internet. Now the one is dial-up, another one is lease line. Now it is the slowest type of internet. Slowest मतलब बहुत slow काम करता है. Dial-up internet uses your phone line. Telephone line होते हैं, those are used in dial-up internet. And it is for anyone having a PC, anyone having a PC, this line they can use. This line they can use and to get connected by using this connection. So we can use this line, dial-up line, to get connected to the internet. Okay, just by dialing up. Now next is lease line. Now what is this lease line? It is a direct line to the network connecting directly to the server. ये क्या है? डायरेक्ट लाइन है और ये डायरेक्टली सर्वर को कनेक्ट करता है. This is very expensive and which is used by large organizations. At home, even certain small organizations, they use dial-up, whereas or LAN, whereas big organization, they use, large organizations, they use lease line because it is expensive one. Next is how information is a super highway. How internet is information super highway. Now internet connects millions of computers and it offers new computing platform. Internet, when we search anything, we have websites, different kinds of websites, that is www, correct? Now it is the most exciting communication medium. This World Wide Web is the most exciting communication medium. It is a collection of websites on the internet. Website के जो अलग अलग website है उसका एक साथ एक collection है ये World Wide Web, and it comprises a large collection of documents which is called as web pages. ये जो www है World Wide Web है, ये collection है websites का और यहाँ पे अलग अलग documents, large collection of documents यहाँ पे पाए जाते हैं, उसका collection पाया जाता है, उसे web pages बोलते हैं हम लोग. Okay, so number of web pages are there stored on this World Wide Web. Even it is a collection of websites and it is open to all types of computers, and anything, any kind of information if you want, you need to just search on the search engines and immediately you can get the information. The server will send you the information. All the web pages are there stored in the server and the server will immediately give it back to you. All the information will reach to you. That's why, and number of information is available. Anything if you want to know, quickly it will be made available to you. Any kind of information is made available to you quickly. That's why it is called as information super highway. आपको हाईवे पता है, हाईवे पे आपको स्पीड लिमिट मतलब you can go fast. Super highway बहुत ही fast, so quickly you can get the information and ample information you can get through this World Wide Web. Now next is VSNL. Now what is this VSNL? I had told you Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. And in India, if you want the internet connection, you have to get contacted, you have to apply to VSNL. आपको इंटरनेट एक्सेस चाहिए इंडिया में तो कहाँ पे अप्लाई करना जरूरी है? VSNL, that is Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. It is the internet service provider in India. इंडिया में ये इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है. VSNL provides internet access to 6 major cities in India. 6 major cities है इंडिया में, वहां पे ये फर्स्ट सर्विस प्रोवाइड की जाती है. Then what are the cities? Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Pune and Bangalore. तो जो VSNL है वो सर्विस इंटरनेट कहाँ पे प्रोवाइड किया जाता है? 6 मेजर सिटीज में इंटरनेट प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. पहले मुंबई, दिल्ली, कलकत्ता, चेन्नई, पुणे एंड बैंगलोर. सो पीपल रिसाइडिंग इन अदर सिटीज, अगर अदर सिटीज में अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज 6 सिटीज, अगर अदर सिटीज में अगर लोग रहते हैं तो उनको इंटरनेट एक्सेस कहाँ पे मिलेगा? बाय कनेक्टिंग टू एनी ऑफ द क्लोजेस्ट एक्सेस सिटीज. ये जो सिटीज है ये एक्सेस सिटीज है ना, तो इससे नजदीक जो कोई भी सिटी नजदीक होगी उस सिटी से उनको एक्सेस मिलेगा बाकी के सिटीज को. So this is called as init. What is this? It is called as init. So when the other cities, except these 6 cities, when they want the internet, people from those cities, if they want internet, they have to get the internet access by connecting to these access cities, internet access cities, closest internet access cities, and then they can get the internet. Let us revise quickly. We are not finishing the topic today. I will revise again what we have finished. See, tomorrow again. We will finish advantages and disadvantages of internet in the next lecture. Now, what is internet? It is a global system of interconnected computer networks. There is World ISP, Internet Service Provider, which provides internet to the regional service provider. Regional service provider will provide it to the local service provider, internet service provider, and then we can use it at home or at the business, in the businesses. Then internet is a great network of computers. It is referred as network of networks. First, it got emerged in America, that is United States, in 1970s, but it was not made available for the general public to use until 1990s. So after 1990s, general public started using internet. It is a global network of physical cables. We need physical cables to connect the get connected to the on the network. So what are the types of physical networks we need? Copper telephone wires, TV cables, fiber optic cables, and so on. Then we have even wireless connections like 3G, 4G, 5G, Wi-Fi, wireless connection bhi hai. But still, to get connected or to get access to the internet, you must rely, these wireless connections must rely on the physical cables. Internet uses standard internet protocol, and every computer in internet is identified by a unique IP address. Now, how internet works? If you visit a website, your computer will send a request to a server, then server will retrieve the website and it will send the data to your computer. There are 2 types of lines. One is dial-up, which is the slowest one, but it is very it is very convenient to use at home when you are having a PC.